Hi, my name is Zafar from Tint Pros in Cleveland, Ohio. And today I want to talk about interior ceramic type coating. A lot of times you hear about exterior for the paint, but today I want to talk about interior. Now for leather and vinyl, the best thing to use, you can actually use ceramic coating. Like we're showing you a company called GlassParency's. You could use their ceramic or their graphene exterior ceramic coating on the leather or on the vinyl and harder surfaces like that. We love all the products by this company. This is probably one of the best companies we've ever dealt with. I just want to highlight a couple products today. They have many. This is a silica waterless wash. You can clean your car with basically a couple of rags. Very easy, take you about 20 minutes. It cleans the car and seals it. It has SiO2 in it, which is what's found in ceramic. This is their Boost, which could be used to maintain a ceramic coating, or it could be used as a standalone product. Every 6 months, you spray it on, wipe it off, and it gives your car a nice hydrophobic barrier. Today, the main product we want to talk about is the interior coating. Again, this is for fabric and upholstery. Carpets, suede, any type of fabric in the car. It gives it a nice barrier to protect it from stains, coffee, pop, candy, whatever may get in the interior. And if you come around here with me, I'll go ahead and demonstrate how it's applied. Very, very easy to use this product. It's basically spray on. It doesn't matter if you get it on the surrounding panel. Basically, I'm spraying on the complete fabric here. Everywhere where there's fabric. And then I'm going to give it a wipe just to distribute it evenly. And after I've wiped everything, I just want to go around and wipe it off anywhere I may have oversprayed. On the store handle. And occasionally, if you're doing the complete interior, flip your rag around. You know, always remember a rag has 8 sides. We can keep flipping it around to get a nice fresh side to work with. That's it. Basically now this suede here, this fabric has been protected. And if I want to do the carpeting, same thing. I would spray and I would give it a wipe just to distribute it around. Now, it'd take more time to do the rest of it, but I just wanted to show you how that works. Thank you again for watching, and I hope that this video helped. Have a great day.